Hey there and welcome to another video of mine, and today I'm going to show or try and attempt to show you how to do the Dele challenge. I've said that wrong. Right, so before we get straight into it, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and turn post notifications on. I promise you won't regret it. I do amazing videos and hope to make good content in the future. So here we go. That's
fucking liar!
That's the best I can do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. That was me being very comical. And also follow my social media and share with your friends. That really mean a lot and help me get more views on the channel.
Just do it!
So in the meantime, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.